Ang bilis, guys! Okay, video test. Welcome to the computer test. We are now on step 2. Congratulations! Okay.
Flashback.
Identification number. Identify. Please upload a picture of an official photo ID, passport, driver's license, official photo ID, showing your name and age to allow us to verify your application. OMG. Saan ako kukuha ng ano? Saan ako kukuha ng picture? So guys, pause muna tayo. Kailangan pala mag-upload.
End of flashback.
And we're back. So nahanap ko na yung yung ID ko, yung scanned ID ko. Kasi sabi dito, official photo ID, passport, driver's license. Yung sa akin is yung UMED ID, yung sa SSS. Yun. Kasi dapat kailangan daw ma-show yung name, age, para ma-verify yung application. So, tingnan natin. Saan na ba yun? Ayan. Meron na nila. Diyan na. So, yan. Meron naman yung birthday. Yep. Name and age. Okay. I certify that I am over 18 years old. So, I hereby permission and appreciate. Okay. I certify. Yeah. I certify. You must use... Oh, mali ang password ko. You must use at least one uppercase. Okay. One uppercase. Dapat daw at least one uppercase. Password length must be at least 12. Okay. Balik. Balik taday. Dapat pala may at least one. Okay. Ito na lang. Ay. Ulit daw. Ay, tapos naman na. Sige. Continue. Ooh. Okay. Select buses. Next. Ay, dami. Fire hydrant. Select all the squares with... Wala naman. Walang fire hydrant. Yan. So, we're done with the first step. Okay. Say password. Confirm your email to continue with your application. Okay. So, I'm gonna go to my Gmail account to confirm daw my application. Ooh, I found it. It's in my Gmail account nga po. Then natin, guys. Please confirm your email. Whoop! Cute, no? Wow! Thank you! It's a bird. Continue teacher application. Ang bilis, guys! Okay, video test. Welcome to the computer test. We are now on step 2. Congratulations! Okay, step 2. Close ko na itong ko. Step 2, go! Please click to play the video. Okay. Can you see the video and hear the audio? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can hear it. It's very clear. Very clear. The audio and the video. Yes. Welcome to the language test. You will be asked to give access to your camera and microphone. Afterwards, you will be asked 2 questions and will have to answer each of them with a minute. Wow! 1 minute lang? Bilis naman. So, microphone setup, grant access, tapos click allow. Okay, alright. Continue with the camera. So, microphone check. The graph below should react. So, nagre-react po siya sa voice ko. Okay, nagre-react siya, guys. Ayan. Hello, mic test. Yan, nagre-react siya. Pag mag-move yung blue, ibig sabihin, nadedetect niya yung microphone mo. Let's go naman daw sa camera. Grant access. Click allow. Can't read from your camera. Your camera is currently being used by another application. Oh, so stop ko to. Kasi nagre-record ako.